right, so this is an Audi A7 2014, and we have bad motor mounts, and this vehicle only has 28,000 miles. So I went ahead and took out the easy side, which is on the right side. I do have the car on jack stands. I use my jack to push up on the motor so I can remove it from under there where it connects. So it does slide out pretty easy once you lift the motor up. And this is the mount that came out of it. You can see it's pretty much damaged, ripped apart, and actually this top piece comes out. And you can kind of still see the liquid in there, so yeah. But the good part is we do have new motor mounts, and it does come in a pair. This is what they look like, so they're pretty much exactly the same thing. The only huge difference is that the bottom here is plastic, and on the OEM one it's metal. Here we have similar kind of sensors. There's a smaller rubber up here than the original one. And this upper portion here pops out of it, but yeah, and the plugs are also identical here, so you can plug in to the OEM circuit. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and install this one on the right side, and on the left side is definitely a lot more work, as we're gonna have to take out the oil cooler to try to squeeze that one out. But yeah, you do have to take this liner off too. And you can kind of see everything through there. You got these two bolts here, and then one 14 triple square that mounts to the engine through the middle there. So all right, so I got both of the mounts out now. Right one here, and that's the left one. So the left one wasn't as bad. It's not completely ripped off, but it is loose in there and does have cracks. But the main thing here on the left one, which we can't really see the new ones, but this gap here is huge. So the whole mount sunk down. And that's what's also causing the vibration, because it's not having enough room to, you know, vibrate the rubber. So, and yeah, if you have this huge of a gap here, that means they just pretty much done for and not going to take the vibrations away. So this one was completely broken, and that one was just old and sunk and starting to crack also. And I've been driving for over a week now with the new mounts, and it is a huge difference. Practically no vibrations. There's a slight vibration, but you know, that's expected. I would say 80% of all the issues have gone, and the main thing is the engine doesn't flop around now. So when you downshift, it's very smooth and quick, and yeah, just all the shifting is very precise and quick. So yeah, huge difference. If you have any kind of slop, you definitely want to change your motor mounts, and you do need to change both of them, because if you change just one, let's say this one, because it's easy to change, then you might still have issues or vibrations with one, but maybe no flopping around, because as you guys can see, the right one really takes a toll and the left one just kind of tears and sinks. So yeah, everything worked out good for me.